Yeah? 2, 3, okay, we also have 1, 2, 3, chest. We also have heel toe. 1, 2, heel toe. We also have toe toe. And 1, 2, toe toe. Yeah, these are all the toes. You can have head as well. And 1, 2, I can have different. I can maybe the eyes, no? 1, 2. Like the 6 squats, we just use the guitar. It's the easiest one to start. So we do the guitar, step, top, 5 and 6, 7, 8. You can do. Okay. After this, you put it in the normal box. No, we do 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. First, everything I do, I can do it in 3 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7. This is super important for the followers, so we need to be able to do them no matter what in their speed. Because I do 1 and 2, 3, 4. On the 4, I can do 4 and. So I can do 1 and 2, 3, 4 and. I can do 5 and 6, 7, 8 and. You see? Okay. Now the other tool we have for 1 and 2 is in and out. Is not the button, but in, out, step, tap. It's the same. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Now you can move that half, because we have the toe of the half. We can do 1 and 2 and half. And I can do the toe as well. Yeah? Now we also have taking that to the other side. We have taking that. We have this one. The booyah, booyah. Yeah? So we can do 1 and 2. Booyah, booyah, come back. Or we can do the magic mind. 1 and 2. Booyah, booyah, magic mind. Okay? Everything you do is basic steps. For example, side step, rock steps. You can rock forward, rock diagonal, rock side, rock back, rock diagonal. Okay? Now it's the same for declaration. You do basic, forward, diagonal, side, back, back, here, 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 here. Okay, what's up? So now I can do 1, 2, 3, toe toe, 5, 6, 7, toe toe, 1, 2, toe toe, 5, 6, toe toe, toe toe. For example, I can also do 1, 2, toe toe. Be creative, so you can create your own things. This is the one way to practice musicality solo. First, we think it's just understanding how you can build your own, understanding how footwork comes from, like how we build it. Now, first thing. Afterwards, you just want to do it to the music, no matter when. Just put the count. 1 and 2, 3, 4. It doesn't matter with the music. Once you can do a lot of it, very good without thinking, then you gotta try to find the music that fits. For example, we say da da, do 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 do. Okay. Now I'm gonna find those moments. When I hear it, I'm gonna say now I do I can do shimmy, I can do something. So that is more like once you have it down, because it's impossible for me that never danced before suddenly just can be with the music. I know, impossible for me. I need the tool, I need to practice. Once I have it in my body, I practice to the music. Once I have that, the music eventually will call for the move, but it's a journey to get there. So when the teachers tell you, or like those big professional artists say, I dance to the music. Okay, I cannot. I take my journey to the one day I can dance to the music. I cannot dance to the music. So this is one way to be. I want to be real with yourself. I am trying to be acceptance of where I am at, but I work to it. Okay, that's my goal. Now, after you have this goal, the other way to practice is Tonnam can say, I want to work shoulder. You know, shoulder do this. Chi chi. You can do tickety ding, tickety ding. To different sound. You can do ding, 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 ding. I don't know. Tonnam will show you. This is the other way. You take one part of your body and you just train that part of your body, but to different sound, different texture, and you challenge yourself to not move any other part. Because sometimes you don't have good mobility in one part of your body. I don't know how to move it in a different speed. This is the best way to train. Yeah? So, how do I show you?
All right.